Welcome to an introduction of the sister firms, Atlantic Speakers Bureau and Human Skills Development.
Information is pretty thin stuff, unless mixed with experience. Clarence Day.
Why human skills e-learning? E-learning has become an integral part of all professional development programming. Human skills development. E-learning is flexible, cost-effective, and delivers what managers and staff need when they need it. Human resources, personal development, administrative skills, career development, sales and marketing, supervisors and managers. Workplace essentials. Microsoft Office Specialist, MOS, Windows 365. Atlantic Speakers Bureau. Your international source of professional public speakers and entertainers. One, professional speakers on premises. Keynotes, workshops, seminars. Online virtual keynotes, seminars/webinars, workshops. 3. Self-paced online, on-demand, skills training workshops and seminars.